For the love of love. Bumble. Start your love story.
He's hearing this for the first time, by the way. So we were working from home, and I had gone over to his place, and I had my laptop and my mouse and like notepad and everything with me. काम के लिए जो भी चाहिए था. Oh shit, मैं tape measure भूल गई. So and then we're quiet. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. He just went on. He was working, whatever. Literally in the next like 10 minutes, a bell rings. He walks out and he comes back with a tape measure.
Impressive.
I think that's when I knew that he's my person, because I think that's like the sweetest. You know, people fall for big romantic gestures like he got me flowers and he took me on a date and all of that.
It's a basic thing.
But for me, those basic things are important. I think like that is more romantic for me than doing anything else. So I think that was my moment when I realized.
So with Bumble, I also have to thank Noon.
Yes, you have to thank Noon as well. Delivery service as well. Bumble and Noon.
Is there any application after marriage? Cut this.
भाभी क्या भाभी
हमारा लड़का आपका हुआ
We clicked with no time. I actually felt that I already know them since more than a year. Honestly, when you have friends and family like this, you feel blessed.
All the Bevadas to get the drink from the bar and be ready at the gate to welcome our special groom and bride.
When I entered and when I saw him, then I was like, okay, now it's fine. He'll take all the limelight.
Action! Where is Piyush?
Best of luck to Yash for his dropping and making coffee early morning. Best of luck, Yash.
ये लड़की मुझे पसंद करेगी कि नहीं?
सबसे बड़ा एहसान बम्बल ने किया।
ये बोलना था।
And I was not really like there कि मुझे swipe करना है किसी पे. तो then his profile, popped up, and I just went like, okay, he seems like a really nice guy. So इस पे swipe किया, so obviously he had already swiped on me, तो वो match हुआ. And then when we went on a date, it was like so natural. It was like I knew him from before. Like there was no awkwardness. We just got into the conversation and it just, flowed.
लड़की वाला जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
इन लोग ने मेरे को सिखाया लड़की वालों को कैसे खुश रखना चाहिए।
आज हम मेहर को जिता रहे, कल हम मेहर लेके जाएंगे।
Tomorrow is the day you are getting married. People have been talking about it so much. You have been thinking about it so much. This is the goal.
No going back.
No going back.
गाइस चलो हो गया let's go get married।
What was the moment? When did you feel like, yeah, she's the one?
So it was never a particular moment for me. Like from the beginning, I knew that it is her. Because when you communicate to someone and when you get such particular responses and care, that you know that what kind of a person that she is. So yeah.
Good answer, good answer.
It's okay. Don't hold this and don't put this in the video, okay? Otherwise, she'll keep on playing all the time.
So हमने यश से तो पूछा कि कैसा फील हो रहा है।
अब मेहर की बारी है, करेक्ट?
Meher, how does it feel to be on this stage, this day, getting married tomorrow?
See, this लड़का is crazy, but
पता है
he's mine. But so is she.
टेढ़ा है पर मेरा।
It feels easy to be with him. That's all I want to
Let's start from the beginning, before we entered. When we were getting ready.
It was her thing that अगर कोई तुझे पकड़ी बांधेगा, then it has to be Daljeet Bhaiya.
Yeah.
I love her a lot. She is my soulmate.
It finally started hitting at that period of time. That was the time when I realized this is really happening. The minute Meher walked in, first I did not even realize because there was no one saying it that wo aa rahi hai ya anything like that. And suddenly I see कि मेरे एरिया में कोई चल के आया और माथा टेक रहा है. ये हो सकती है तो मेहर ही हो सकती है.
I could see that happiness on his face because I didn't let him win on a lot of things, so this was something that he wanted. Just seeing him, I felt a little calm, like okay, कोई है मेरे साथ, you know, like मैं अकेले नहीं कर रही है. And then it just hit that, like in life moving forward also everything will be like that. Like he will be next to me, like we'll do things together. You really feel the feelings.
Everyone over there, they are there to bless you and only you. I think I had forgotten everything, like what I am supposed to do
around?
next, who is around me, what prayers are going on. My view was only the God and Meher.
You need to grow with someone and you need companionship in life.
I was like, wow, I'm married.
The becoming one feeling came later when we signed the papers.
Yeah.
That was my moment when I realized. सिवाय मेरी माँ को छोड़ के कोई नहीं रोया मेरे लिए कि हमारी बेटी जा रही है. Nobody, everybody is like लेके जाओ. No, absolutely no.
पेमेंट करके खत्म डांसेस ऑन जीते दो पैसे लो यू डिसाइड अमाउंट
Hook step, huh? Hook step.
I'm not good at negotiating, guys. Please. जब भी negotiating नहीं बाबू डांस करना है आपने. जूते दो पैसे दो गाना करो.
अच्छा लगना चाहिए
अच्छा ले ऐसे कर चल मैं डांसर हूँ तुम्हारी तरह. दे दो पैसे दे दो जूते ले लो पैसे दे दो. बिना तो बनता है हमें चाहिए. तेवर तुम किसका हो ना यू तेवर जैसे बने
वो देख नहीं रहा
हो गया डांस.
अच्छा नहीं लगा.
अरे नहीं चलो चलो चलो.
इतना प्यार से दे रहे आप लोग को देगा.
She might feel bad about it, but I think I felt more closer to them than what Meher would be with them.
वो भी करना होता है ना. What do you चावल and
पता नहीं है क्या बोलते पर करेगी मैं.
हाँ. The part where they give me away like someone can.
Oye.
No, nobody can give me away. No, everybody can take, but no give. कोई रोने का मूड में ही नहीं था. Everybody was very happy. फोन पे म्यूजिक चला के they are dancing. They are like this.
Thanks Meher for being a part of Mehta family. Welcome to the family, Meher.
गणपति बप्पा मोरया मंगल मूर्ति मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया.
I know mom and dad are blessing all of us from above and both of you, and we love you a lot.
द्वारा ध्यान करके खालसा जी बोलना जी.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. बोले
I never felt like I didn't have my own sibling because I have these two lovely cousins that I consider my own, you know, like, and they are my own. But I would really say कि ऐसी sisters और ऐसी sisters सबको मिले, basically.
And I'm so happy that Yash has found Meher. You both are just meant to be with each other.
I almost cried because for me, I have not seen both my sisters dance together.
इधर लड़का पिघल गया. नॉर्मली लड़की के लिए होता है, पर बहनें हमेशा स्पेशल होती है. बहनों की पोजीशन कोई नहीं ले सकता किसी लड़के की, वो भी जब लड़का छोटा भाई होता है तब.
I agree, लेकिन जब भाभी आ जाती है तो भाभी हो जाती है hot favorite.
We are already proving.
We've seen it. Even Yash has seen it.
भाई अपनी तो कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है यार.
This was Mehndi on steroids, basically.
तू सुन ले दिल दियां गल्लां दो चार सोहणीए सानू इश्क तेरे दी पै गई ऐसी मार सोहणीए दिल काबू विच नहीं रहिंदा कुछ पल्ले भी नहीं पैंदा सब दुनिया कोलों रहिंदा मैं बेजार सोहणीए सूए वचीरे वाले दा दिल ले जा तू सूए वचीरे वाले दा दिल ले जा तू छतरी दी छांच आके बह जा तू हो छतरी दी छांच आके बह जा तू बैजा बिलो कर दिया तू Everywhere you go, eyes on you. How the boy tryna slide on you? How the boy saying I want you? ना बिलो मैं तेनू नहीं खोना करे रैप नाले मुंडा बड़ा सोना तेरा एक्स मेरे सामने कौना गरारी अड़गी तेनू मैं पाना धीरे धीरे मेरे कोल दे आना सुना दूंगा तुझे कोई गाना सुहे वचीरे वाला तू तो करे कमाला साडी ते सुन लैया अपनी कह जा तू साडी ते सुन लैया अपनी कह जा तू छतरी दी छांच आके बह जा तू हो छतरी दी छांच आके बह जा तू
हल्दी मेहंदी तो करनी होती है
नहीं हल्दी मेहंदी came later.
फिर
First
क्या?
it was only the wedding.
reception.
Then reception में party तो होनी चाहिए.
हाँ कॉकटेल तो करेंगे
Okay. I was excited about my Sangeet.
I was not very happy about it.
कोले तू ये सांभले दिल मेरे नू ये दस दे दूरी है क्यों ये तेरियां अखां दे सामने रह तेरे बगैर ये लगदी दुनिया ज़हर ये किवें लाजू कोई गैर ये बैगा कईयां दा वैर ये
I was happy that she can dance. I had one thing in my mind that the partner who I choose can dance, and the way she danced. So.
Shorty too bad, shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it, she know that I want it. She bad, all I think is she got it. She push up and drop it, she turn every man to a fan. She got that, I give her that. Yeah, she got that, I give her that. Give me that action. The whole thing, not a fraction. Shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Shorty shake it like she from the favela. Bring me that energy. Turn the function to a mela. Shawty going for hours. She don't stop. She got all the power. She's on top. If it ain't designer, she won't shop. Body made for summer. She did squats. I do what I want, but I do what she please. She hit in positions I couldn't believe. She call me Papi, she call you Paji. Doing the most, she do it for me. All that movement got me shook. I'm tripping over that body. Shawty dripping, she got sauce. I think she knows she a baddie. Jacking the specs, she kept on the tag. Holding to make all the petty or mad. I'm picking up on the reddest to flash, but Shawty too bad. Shawty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. Shawty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. I give her the. I give her the. I gave him the steps. I gave him the manual. Gave him direction down to the angles. I know my crossover left him in shambles. I broke through. You broke your ankles.
Met him and he told me he's a choreographer, and I got a little bit like he's gonna cut this part. He's going to steal my show, man, because like I've always danced at all my cousins' weddings and I've been the star of the show. Every time, okay? And then now this guy comes into my life and he's a choreographer. Suddenly I can't remember any steps. Like it was a full-on show and what performances, but stole my thunder.
हमारी बहन जो सबको कोरियोग्राफ करती थी आज बोलती है वो खुद क्या बोले वो हाउ इज शी टू कम्पीट विद हिम
है ही नहीं कंपटीशन.
It was not a competition.
It was a competition.
No.
Yes. Everything is competition. Yes. Compatibility test. We won, no? We won the competition for us.
Oh. Congratulations.
ध्यान से सुनेगा सभी लोग प्लीज. Who loves the other one more?
And that too, they were testing after we got married.
Yeah.
Abhi dekh lo.
Who is the bigger foodie? So समझ के जवाब दीजिए अपने को. Who is most likely the better cook? I think they both will cook for each other. That's lovely. Give them a big hand, guys. हमारी प्यारी मम्मी जी के लिए पक्का 100% फूड सप्लाई आपके आने वाला जिंदगी भर. क्या बात है. स्वीट मम्मी है कि जोरदार तालियां हो प्लीज. Who is more dramatic when they fall sick? Who is more dramatic when they fall sick? बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रामा करने से वो बीमार होता है.
This one is a bigger drama queen than I am. I am a visible drama queen. Like I will do drama like this, but I'm deviating a little bit. But like especially when he wants to go to sleep, he'll be like, "I'm very angry right now. I'm very angry at this right now. Leave me alone for some time."
She's just taking today's.
This is today's example. So he's like, "I'm very angry at this XYZ person. So I'm going to sleep." The real reason is he wants to sleep. He wants to sleep.
मेरे ड्रामा क्वीन की बात में यहाँ पर हमारा ड्रामा किंग आ चुका है. यश के लिए जोरदार तालियां गाइस.
इधर तो था ही टैलेंट, इसके साइड पे तो बहुत टैलेंट था. We threw a little googly and
Yeah.
बेबी बेबी तेरा ही मैं लवर मेरा होना ही मैं लवर तेनू जो तकिया रेहा ही मैं सोबर मेरे दिल ते रूते असर बेबी बेबी ये तीनों सुपरस्टार्स के लिए हो गए जोरदार तालियां Ladies and gentlemen, क्या बात है
So I think Karan surprised with singing a song. Jiju surprised singing a song. Amal surprised singing a song.
That was the
There was a
beginning of
live
our
band. Yeah, there was a live band on that day.
हमें बड़ी शादी नहीं करनी थी बट फिर भी हो गई बड़ी. Regardless, it was
No,
a
it was fun
wedding.
and we should thank him
Thank you, Papa, for pushing.
pushing the budget.
Yeah, budget and us. Yeah.
1 year later.
मेहर बता
क्या बताओ?
शादी का 1 साल कैसा गुजरा तेरा?
दिन काट काट के. Meher, let's make a promise to each other. Let's drink, but drink to the point that we get tipsy and we enjoy the party.
Okay. I don't know when I went from 0 to 100 with no time.
Real quick. Where's here? And then I don't see him. Then 20 minutes later, I see him on the dance floor. Gone! He's out of his mind. Like, he's like, ah! He's like dancing like crazy. And then I looked at him and I could tell that he had had quite a lot. For a drunk DJ, he was mind blowing. Because this is proof. Proof that you were gone. So, oh my god, मैं कितनी अच्छी बात है.
अच्छी है बोलती जा. Less questions for me.
ये अब एक्चुअली में सब कुछ प्ले करेगा. तो भी बोलना कुछ अच्छा बोल मेरे बारे में.
She's the one who will fulfill his potential. Like.
Thanks. मैं हुई अच्छी.
कभी एक दिन ऑफ कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड करूंगा तुझे.
मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. सोचो बोलने से पहले. I had to take my drunk new husband to the room, and that was an experience in itself because our room, the suite was in one corner of the hotel. Okay, so he couldn't
I
even.
can just view for you.
Yeah, he couldn't even stand straight. And what happened was one of his friends put us in the elevator alone, okay? And there were some of them who were trying to help us to go up. And he said, no, it's their wedding night. Let them go up alone. And by the time I was going to say, no, I need help. The elevator door closed. जाओ मुझे कोई तो बचाओ.
अच्छा सफल, मैं 1 मिनट पॉज करूं क्या? देखो क्या मैंने रिकॉर्ड बटन ऑन किया था कि नहीं.
I will kill you.